We are at the Long Beach Grand Prix. I heard the Nike outlet is still open. Let's go check it out. Currently inside the grounds of Long Beach Grand Prix. Nike outlet right outside. I'm pretty sure they're open. I think so, I don't know. Let's go find out. Probably the most chill day out the year out here. Probably the most chill weekend out the entire year. Do get 40% off the back wall. And I already see some heat right here. Price, not where we want yet, but we do like seeing those here. Got some twos right here, 140 for those. Seeing if I can find some wide toe box running shoes. These are definitely not Nike Dunk Low. That's a good price though, if you can get that for that price. I just play stupid and see if they'll give it to me at that price sometimes. Ooh, extended size pricing. Oh, wait, but it's actually gone down after the extended size pricing. Lunar Rose, $50. And then you get another 40% off. $30 for 2 different colorways of the Lunar Roams. Like I said, 3 different colorways going for $30. Cheapest we've seen those. As I said earlier, 4 different colorways. That's some mids right here going for $90. Trainers going for 60. Oh no, these ain't trainers. These are the Air Force 88s. Price is good though. Price good, 65. Nike Calm sides right here going for 45. These are listed at 70. Guaranteed that's not right because retail is also not 160. The Zoom Prix 6s. We're seeing extended size pricing. Quite a few of them at 10.5. Putting these Air Max 97s right here, $82. Still nothing crazy today. I want to change things up a little bit. Check the apparel section. We get 40% off the clearance. They do got some tech fleece. We've seen some decent tech fleece deals. Not here though. Not here though. Original price $80 down to or up to $150. Yeah, obviously that's wrong. But $80. Do get 40 off. Okay, that one's done correctly. Got some regular sweats, 45. Navy blue hoodie right here going for 40. Like a lightweight fleece jacket right here, 60. LA Rams medium hoodie right here, $75. But even at 75, 40% off, not bad. 40% off makes every mediocre deal a decent one. $30? $30 for this hoodie? So that comes out to what, $18? It is lightweight, but still, damn. $105 for the Nike. This is Nike Trail hoodie pullover. Oh, this is the crazy expensive snowboard pants. ACG $225. Crazy being able to hear all the race cars just go by hella fast. All right, let's move on to the t-shirts. Any decent t-shirts? Are they just t-shirts? $45 for Rams t-shirt. Chargers also $45. These are XLs. Jordan long sleeve tee, $30. Rams in a small. Chargers also in a small. Need an Angels t-shirt. Está aquí right here. $40 for these. Oh, this is an SB t-shirt that matches those Seattle Supersonics. Nike Dunk SBs, 45. These are normally, there's no way, these are normally 80. Oh, these are $29.99. I thought that was a 7. $29.99. You get an extra 40 off. Back to the clearance wall. We're gonna check out the bigger sizes since they do have some extended size pricing. Size 11 Air Max 1 right here going for 150. 270s extended size price. These go way under $100. That might be the cheapest we've seen those. I'm not a fan of them, but people seem to be. 75 for these. An extra 40 off. Max RS6 is $79.97. Moving up to the 12s. I think they got some soccer cleats, Phantom GT Elites. Some of the most expensive soccer cleats you can find. $260 for these. Holy cow, are they that good? Oh, so. Next gen's going for 70. Did I say size 12? Luca 3s right here going for 70. Air Max DNs, what they talking about? Dang, 120 still. What they talking about? For these Metcons, I can see an extended size price, $75. Size 13 and over, 105. Got LeBrons. Talk about the quality LeBrons, $90. Size 15. Cortez right here, regular price. Infinity Run 4s, $85. Next gens down here, $100. Tatum 4s, Tatum 3s, $70. Jumping back to the clearance apparel. Technically not clearance, but 30% off. Bunch of fleece. These are $45, so 30% off of that. They also got pants right here, so great time to buy apparel because summer stuff from last year on sale. Winter is over, so they're throwing all that on sale. $40, 30 off. I told some of the workers, I was like, I know y'all bored as hell, dude. Last day and next couple days ain't gonna be nothing because all the streets are closed off around here, and parking's $20, which is actually not that bad for event parking, to be really honest. But I am paying $60 for three days in a row. $50 for this fleece jacket. Got Tech Fleece 30% off. All Tech Fleece. These look like they're going for $100. This is like the later or the newer Tech Fleece. $95 for this one. $100 for these. Got them in medium, large, extra large. Got the two-tone one right here going for $95 as well. Some places had these for most of them have for 30 off. My bad. I was gonna say some places have that for 40 off, but no, it's the camo ones. Some places had the camo ones for 40 off. I think I want to say Watts had those for 40 off. $90, 30% off here. Shows right there, and yeah, not bad. Women seem to get the 40% off. This, I don't know, it's just like a light Volt colorway right here. And yeah, these are $85, 40 off, so even cheaper for the women's. They're locked up because Tech Fleece tends to be one of the things that a lot of the thieves steal, so good for them for protecting their products. It's about time. All right, let's finish off the back wall. See what discounts we can find for 40 off. Checking out the smaller size. I just realized like the midsole on these, they kind of remind me of the Bondis, the Hoka Bondis. But yeah, it looks like they got a bunch of different sizes on these. I'll go for $50 with that extra 40 off on top. 9.5 blazers right here, $75. Infinity Run 4s, $120. Budget cleats right here. Vapor Academies. Academies I think are always the budget ones. These are, I think are for football, $70. Air Max Plus $190. That one's kind of crazy. So it doesn't have any cutouts or overlays. It's just stitching. That's kind of interesting. I've never seen Air Max Plus like that. This is what I'm used to, the Air Max Plus with some sort of overlay or something. $100 for those. Luka's right here. Lakers MVP, $130 for those. GT Jump 2s right here. Pretty mediocre colorway. I love the price tag. $130. $130 for these. You get another 40% off. Are you effing serious? That is crazy. $130 for these bad boys right here. $100 for these. Smaller sizes, kind of seeing the same things. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's see what's going on with the aisles. Where we do see the Olympic 6s right here. And yeah, very limited in sizing. Limited 10 to what? I see a size 13. Then, of course, got plenty of the generic Jordans right here. Non-signatures. Got a couple of lows. Watts, I think these were cheaper. Budget signature basketball shoes right here. Witnesses. And then we got a couple or a few different LeBron Next Gens. I don't know, kind of Lakers colorway. Nike Calm Mules. Nike Calm Slides right here. Pretty decent price. Mock undercovers. Killshot 2 leather. Heritage Volks. Got Blazers. Got Dunks. Flight Legacies. Black and Hyper Blue. Full Force lows. Gonna see an influx of Pegasus 20, 25. See a couple of those right there. See a couple P6000s as well. Oh, we see more on the backside right here. 4 different colorways. See a Vomero and then a bunch of Lunar Roams, which we've seen at every outlet lately. Air Max 2017s. Air Max 270. Got quite a few of these. Black on black. Black on white. Vast Gray Summit white. We're not going to talk about the purple or blue, whatever the hell that is. These are orange of the Air Max DNs. I'm in all black as well. Air Max Plus. Air Max 90s. Triple white. White, light smoke gray, and lightning. Wolf gray. Triple black. Aluminum foil. Air Max 1. Then more of these. Always got to see if they got some decent running shoes. They got some, what are these? Pegasus 41 wides right here. But yeah, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. No invincible runs or nothing like that. Did check the women's sizes over there. The extended sizes. Didn't find anything crazy, so let's see what's up over here. Air Max DNs in the size 8, 130. Blazers. These are the weird looking ones. Yeah, they're down to $50. Forces right here down to 60. We've seen this one on sale. Quite a few spots. Woodside Chucker 2's going for 70. Dunk Low Twist right here. That's with the plastic pieces on them. 85. Forces 75. I'm seeing quite a lot of the same stuff. Seeing a lot of repeats. Oh, wait. Invincible Run 3s, 125. Oh, I did forget to show these. They got the shocks right here. R4s, $90. Biggest size I've seen on those are size 9. Color's a little iffy on this, but that price is hella low. Got Jordan 1 low SEs and a 9.5 go for 90. Not too much craziness today. Let's check out the aisles. They got 3 different DNs. Metallic silver, phantom, and sale. Triple white. These powder blue looking ones pretty dope. Baroque brown. Was it? Oh, this is the weird one. Smoky mauve. Is that how you say that? Mauve? Got a couple of dunks. These are the Rose Whisper ones we've seen at so many outlets. Bright Cactus Gum Yellow. What the hell? Some Force Next Natures. Extra long hair suede. These are the Cortez Vintage right here. I like that material. Got some dunks. Some highs. Gamma Forces. Multiple colorways. Got a couple of blazers. Yeah, these are what? Court Legacy? What the hell? Then gotta have 270s. Then finally some J's, some mids. Next to some grade school. That's about it, dude. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to the race. I don't see anything crazy. Back inside the IndyCar area. Kiddo's been here watching the whole time. Oh, these are the historic cars, right? These are the historic cars, right? They look crazy with the huge air intake on the top. Like that looks crazy, dude. They got huge screens everywhere. We'll go back to our seats in a minute. Is that a pace car? What the hell? Oh, they're just sticking around. Oh, that one's more recent. The intake is not as big on that one. Check out a couple of these race cars. One coming. There's 2 coming, no? Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's an old one. Great. I actually thought about it. There's probably not going to be anything crazy there this weekend because they haven't gotten any new shipments. All the streets are closed around there, so no shipments throughout the entire weekend. I still have to check for y'all, but we need to know how things work and when they get shipments. Usually Nike outlets usually push stuff out as soon as they get the shipments, and they haven't had anything in a while. So yeah, I didn't really anticipate anything, but I still have to check for you guys. Seems like a majority of people here just get general admission tickets. It's like $40, something like that, and they just walk around, find different places to stand to watch the races. It's not even a race, this is actually an exhibition. All the historical cars, a bunch of historical Indy cars. I think they also do, there's one F1 car out there. There's the pits right there where they do all the little pit stops and stuff. So they have open areas like this where people just kind of stand around here and just watch all the cars go by. Someone jacked up their little museum piece or their collectors. Damn, that sucks. They got all kinds of food vendors everywhere, all kinds of beer vendors. Interesting mix of people, younger people, older people, different ethnicities. Interesting crowd here. Finally made it back to our seats over here. At our seats, you can see the beach over here. You can see the marina. What is that? Queen Mary over there. And pretty nice seats. What turn is this, Evan? I don't know. We got that major turn right there, and then we got the hairpin. Pretty decent seats. Pretty decent seats. That's like $440 for the entire weekend for 2 seats. Got a nice, pretty sunset right there. Did spend the entire day here, man. We were here from, what time did we get here? 8:30 in the morning? 8:30 in the morning. It's, what, 7 o'clock at night, 6:50. Ending the night with some Formula Drift. See if I can get some footage for y'all. They got 3 turns that they do. We get to see 2 of them. Practice session right here. It's pretty fun, dude. Pretty fun. Look at how nice the scenery here is. And we got one last show for you guys. Formula Drift one last time. Ooh, look at that. Oh, the chase. Chase got him. Chase got him. I think the chase got him. See what the judges say. Yeah, man. Yup, RCP definitely got it. They actually did 2 runs, and I only showed 1 because I'm lazy. Man, we out, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. We out, you guys. That's day 2 at Long Beach Grand Prix.